Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time of stopping by, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, you are welcome back. So in today's video, like I said before, I'm going to be showing you guys how I prepare and braid down my crochet twist before installing it. So without talking much, let's get into this video. So as you can see, I'm using the Expression braiding hair. This is in color 27, and I really wanted to like use 3-pack of hair for this method, but I ended up using 4-pack. So let's go ahead and start the process. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this braiding hair into 3 parts. That's because I don't want it to be too long or too short. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead right now and cut it into 3 parts. All right, so here's how it looks like. I've cut this braiding hair into 3 equal parts. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and start pulling it out. So now the next thing to do is to comb out this hair to kind of make everything blend together. And when you're combing, make sure you start from the tip and comb it up, like it's easier that way. So after combing, you can still go in with any hair cream of your choice, like any hair cream at all you feel like using. So now to kind of make everything look smooth, and now the hair is ready for braiding. So now you can see I already braid this side of my hair, and I'm going to show you how I do that. So when doing this, you want to make sure you twist it down from the root, like just watch as I'm doing right now. Don't do this. So to make sure you get the exact crochet tip like braiding and other stuff, you want to make sure you twist it from the beginning, like just twist it from the beginning to make sure everything is not kind of puffy, and yeah, and start twisting it down. Make sure your twists are tight so that way it won't unravel. I'm sorry I cut out one step. The rope I'm using for this is my shoelace, yes. So I tied it up to my window, and I also tied the other side to one of my chair, and you can use any rope of your choice. So I just decided to use my shoelace for this. All right, so now after twisting, you want to make sure you go ahead and trim the hair out, like just trim out those flyaways, and then yeah, you're ready to go. So now this is 1 pack of Expression braiding hair, and now I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it through. I'm just gonna like you can see how it looks. It can't unravel this way, like it can't unravel. So yeah, because how it looks, and this color is not showing up well on my camera. That's because I do not have the perfect lighting, and this color, like I said earlier, is in color 27. This is the yellow gold, and yeah, the hair is ready for crochet. So this is 1 pack of Expression braiding hair. I'm gonna show you the rest I've braided before, because it is 3-pack of Expression hair. And after installing it, this is how my hair looks like. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't seen this video where I install this crochet braid, the video is down on my channel, so make sure you do check it out. How to do a natural crochet twist, like looking at me right now, you can hardly tell it's a crochet twist. So just make sure you watch the video, and please, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video with friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys. Stay safe and always stay beautiful. Bye.